Hello, Mohez.
Hey, Rohit.
How is your preparation for the examination going on?
Not bad overall, but I'm worried about chemistry and English. How is yours going on?
Mine is alright, but I'm finding some difficulty in chemistry because of its vast syllabus and too much for memorization in organic chemistry.
Organic chemistry has been a problem for me. Can we study chemistry together? At least the organic part.
So, I think it is a good idea.
Will you free at evening?
Yes, I will come to your home at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, I will wait for you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Hello, Meeta. How are you? Hello, Ganesh. I'm fine. Have you done the homework in maths? No, I'm ill. Will you come to school today? No, I will send a leave letter. What is your trouble? I'm suffering from headache. Did you consult a doctor? No, I'm taking tablets. Is your mother at home? Yes, she is. Shall I come for help? Please come and inform me about the lessons taught today. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm good. What is your name? My name is Robert. And yours? Nice to meet you, Robert. My name is John. Nice to meet you, John. Where are you from? I was born in Brazil, but I live in India since 2 years old. Nice. I was born in Brazil too, but I live in Italy. What do you do here in India? I came to visit this country. I also like much of here. That's nice. If you want to get more videos of us, please like and subscribe.